welcome to Bike Zone. In today's video we're diving into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2025, the Maico 700. Whether you're a motocross enthusiast, an off-road adventurer, or simply someone who loves cutting-edge motorcycle technology, the Maico 700 is definitely a bike you'll want to know about. Stick around as we break down everything from its design to its performance and all the exciting features it brings to the table. Design and aesthetic. The frame and chassis of the Maico 700 are crafted with precision to provide a perfect balance between strength, durability, and agility. Maico has built the 700 with a lightweight yet robust aluminum chassis, designed to withstand the toughest trails without sacrificing maneuverability. Whether you're flying through tight turns or navigating obstacles, the bike's chassis keeps the ride nimble, giving the rider complete control over the bike. Ergonomics also play a crucial role in the Maico 700's design. The bike's frame allows for easy adjustment to different riding positions, whether you're standing or sitting. The rider's comfort is paramount in off-road bikes, especially on long rides, and Maico has designed the frame to reduce rider fatigue and ensure that every ride is as comfortable as it is exciting. Engine and performance. At the core of the Maico 700 is its incredible engine. The 700cc two-stroke power plant is designed to offer riders unmatched power and torque, ideal for serious off-road and motocross riders. This engine delivers an exhilarating mix of low-end grunt and high-end performance, making it perfect for tackling both technical trails and wide-open tracks. The engine uses advanced technology to ensure optimal fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Maico has focused on improving the engine's responsiveness, ensuring that the bike offers smooth power delivery throughout the rev range. Riders will appreciate the fine-tuned throttle response, giving them complete control over their riding experience. Whether you're powering through sand dunes or leaping over jumps, the Maico 700's engine ensures you have the power you need when you need it. Technology and features. When it comes to off-road riding, suspension is everything. The Maico 700 is equipped with a fully adjustable, high-performance suspension system designed to tackle the toughest terrains. The front and rear suspension components are engineered for maximum comfort and control, absorbing the impacts from jumps, rocks, and uneven trails with ease. The bike features premium WP suspension, which is known for its durability and smoothness. Whether you're riding over rough terrain or on the track, the Maico 700 suspension allows for precise handling, ensuring you stay in control regardless of the conditions. The system is designed for customization, so riders can fine-tune the suspension to their preferred riding style and the conditions they'll be tackling. Frame and chassis. The Maico 700's frame is built with performance in mind. The bike uses a lightweight but durable aluminum chassis, which provides a perfect balance of strength and agility. This allows the bike to maintain a nimble feel on the track while still being able to withstand the wear and tear of rigorous off-road adventures. The frame design also focuses on ergonomics, ensuring that riders can comfortably control the bike in various riding positions. Whether you're cornering tight turns or powering through open stretches, the frame contributes to the bike's overall stability and handling. Braking system. Braking power is another crucial aspect of performance, especially when you're riding at high speeds or tackling technical trails. The Maico 700 is equipped with a high-performance braking system, featuring large disc brakes front and rear. These brakes are designed to provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring riders can safely and effectively control their speed at all times. The Maico 700's braking system is also designed for modulation, allowing riders to apply the brakes smoothly and progressively without the risk of locking up or losing control. Whether you're navigating downhill sections or coming into a tight corner, the Maico 700 offers a braking system you can trust. Advanced electronics and rider features. One of the standout features of the 2025 Maico 700 is its integration of advanced electronics. While many off-road bikes still rely on basic mechanical systems, the Maico 700 brings a level of sophistication that caters to the modern rider. The bike is equipped with a digital dashboard that displays important metrics such as speed, engine temperature, fuel levels, and trip information. Additionally, the Maico 700 features multiple riding modes that can be easily adjusted on the fly. These modes adjust the engine's power delivery, suspension settings, and traction control to optimize the bike's performance in different conditions. Whether you're riding in mud, sand, or on hard-packed terrain, the bike adapts to your needs, ensuring an optimal riding experience. Ergonomics. While the Maico 700 is built for performance, comfort hasn't been overlooked. The ergonomics of the bike are designed to provide a comfortable ride, even on long days of intense riding. The seat is crafted with durability and comfort in mind, offering enough padding for long rides while maintaining a slim profile to allow for excellent rider movement. The handlebars and foot pegs are positioned to provide a natural, relaxed riding posture, reducing rider fatigue and increasing control. The overall design ensures that riders can stay comfortable without compromising on agility or responsiveness. Tires and traction. The Maico 700 comes equipped with high-quality tires designed to offer exceptional grip and traction on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're navigating muddy trails, rocky paths, or racing on a motocross track, the Maico 700's tires ensure you have the necessary grip to maintain control and stability. The tires feature an aggressive tread pattern that excels in soft to intermediate terrain, providing excellent traction when cornering or powering through obstacles. Additionally, the tires are designed to be long-lasting, ensuring that riders can push the bike to its limits without worrying about frequent tire changes. Price and availability. However, considering the advanced technology, exceptional performance, and durable build, the Maico 700 offers good value for serious enthusiasts and professional riders looking for a top-tier machine. It's a bike designed for those who demand the best, and with Maico's legacy behind it, it's likely to deliver on that promise. Conclusion. The 2025 Maico 700 is shaping up to be an incredible machine that combines Maico's legacy of high-performance off-road bikes with modern technological advancements. From its powerful 700cc engine to its cutting-edge suspension and rider-focused features, this bike is designed to offer top-tier performance in any off-road environment. Whether you're an experienced motocross racer or an off-road enthusiast looking for your next adventure, the Maico 700 is a bike worth watching. If you're excited about the 2025 Maico 700 or want to know more about upcoming bikes, be sure to subscribe to BikeZone for all the latest reviews, news, and insights into the world of motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.